This is a replacement battery I bought for my Lumix S5 camera. It's pretty simple really. It's exactly the same dimensions and shape and size as the one that came with the camera, with the official one. The official one was 2200 milliamp hours and this is 2400 milliamp hours. So technically this is actually more powerful and it does actually last longer. The only other difference and change is that it does have this little USB-C port here, which means that when it comes to charging it, you can just plug it into a portable charger or another USB cable. You can see that little red light there means it's charging, and when it's fully charged it will go green. So pretty simple really, but I like taking this with me on a day out. Generally one battery, even the official one battery will kind of last you like half a day, should we say, you know, one trip out. But having the official battery that came with the camera and this one just means that I know I'm going to get through a whole day. Usually what I do, I charge this up fully, plug it into the camera, use it, and then once this one dies, I'll throw it in my backpack and put it on charge. You know, that's charging, and I'll use the official one that I got with the camera, and then if the official one dies, this one's fully charged again. So you know, you've basically got, you can get 3 batteries out of it, you know, if you're really trying to be efficient with that. But all in all, it's got the charging points, so if you want to use it with the charger that came with the original camera, you can do that. Obviously it fits in the camera, and yeah, it's pretty good. It did come with a cable. I don't remember if this was the cable that came with the battery, but it was something very similar to this. You know, it's just a short cable that you can just plug into charge. Yeah, and there was, I think, a little bit of paperwork in there. You know, your paperwork, standard paperwork. But apart from that, that's really all you get. Don't really need any more. And yeah, I've had 0 problems with it. 0 problems overheating or any issues like that. No rust, anything like that. So yeah, if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Yeah, till next time.